So what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at a V-mount battery so that we can power up our R5C. But this is too big. Today we're going to show you a small rig that had been released just recently, and this is as small as this. And this is going to replace the V-mount battery mount plate, and hopefully this big junk on the bottom here will be replaced with just this. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel a lot if you use my link. Let's go ahead and open this up, take this off, and hopefully this will make a huge difference. So here we go. Couple of things inside, and that's it for the box. I got this little plate right there and this guy right here. As you can see, very minimal, very small, very nice to have if you have, especially for R5C, I definitely need that V-mount battery there most of the time. So this is going to be useful for that. So this part right here is adjustable as well, as you can see. So you can extend it out. And this one rotates, as you can see there, up and over. Yeah, I guess it only goes up to 180, as you can see there. Still pretty good though. Pretty much you can use it to open it up and flip your screen over. This part, it comes with a V-mount as well, which you can use to other accessories that is not actually V-mount. You just gotta mount it with that and then you'll be able to stay in there. Cool. Now let's take this old thing off. So it is a big difference, as you could see here. This whole thing will be replaced by this little guy right here. Pretty nice. And the disadvantage of this as well is this mount is just stuck right there. You can't you can't flip it down or anything like that, because this is pretty much, this is useful when you can bring this down and you'll be able to flip your screen out without moving your V-mount battery back and forth. So let's take this off here. There you go. Let's change that. Let's put that right there. Again, we'll just put it up here just for reference. And then here, we're gonna mount our camera. Let's take this part off now. And let's mount the one that's that came in the box here. And because this is flathead, we can use the tool that came with our rig. And there it is. So with this as well, you'll be able to mount it sideways, like so. It'll get mounted from the side, like so. Which is really cool. There it is. It also has locks on the bottom here so that it won't come off. Also has this mount right here, these two that are retractables, as you can see there. Has spring loaded, pretty nice. And then if you want to lock it, easy lock, like so. And you're good to go. Now, as you could see here, because of the big back of the R5C, you'll be able to adjust the front here. There you go. If you want it to be, if you want to make it closer or not, but this is a perfect size actually for the R5C, as you can see there. So now all that's left to do is tighten this up right here. Good to go, stiff. And then put the V-mount battery on there and you're good to go. That's it, that's all. Pretty easy. Now, if you want to take this off and put it down, let's say you want to flip your screen, as you can see there, very accessible, pretty nice. And then put it back like so, tighten it up right there, and you're done. Nice and quick. And as you could see, in comparison to a normal V-mount battery there, this is huge and this is pretty small. You could then mount our bottom there like this, so that it'll be an Arca Swiss, so that you'll be able to mount this on many different places. Does have maximum compatibility here for different types of cameras. So for example, if you have an FX3 or smaller cameras, or like me who has an R5C, you'll be able to adjust that for that. There's also the double-sided quick release system here, as we showed earlier. Handheld solution as well, or even tripod solution, because it has tripod mounts on the bottom as well. It is a smaller plate, but that's okay. You can also fold it away, and it's very light, very thin design, so you could keep it in your bag if you don't use it without taking any space at all. It does also have a chest support system as well. You can get one from Small Rig, and it's compatible with this one. You just add it on the back. As you could see, it still keeps that small form factor, which is really good. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new V mount for the R5C, and also any camera that you need a V mount for. For those of you who are filmmakers, this is really nice to have and be able to have everything that you need on a small form factor, very minimal as well. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.